Okay, tell the people what seasoning you using. Oh,
So we do it. You ain't, hey, if you ain't black, if you ain't got no season salt, you ain't saying, hey.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Marley. I don't want to show my face because I look like a mess. But today I'm vlogging Darian making chicken. What you making, babe? What you making? You making fried chicken?
Why you recording me?
Oh my god. Okay, bro. Let's do this shit. Please, don't kill me. So can you explain to us how you make fried chicken?
Throw it in there and cook it. That's it.
What?
Steam it, motherfucker. That's it.
Do you wash your chicken, Darian?
In the water, yeah.
In the water? Alright, let's see how you gonna make this chicken. Damn, hurry up, bruh.
Stop recording.
I wanna see you wash the chicken, clean the chicken, and everything. Hold on. Okay, Chef D. What you doing? What you doing? Okay, putting some oil in there. Alright. Okay. How much oil do you need?
Huh? Very good.
I thought that was me talking for a second.
That's why you didn't see me look like
Right, the fuck?
Bro, where's the chicken? Oh,
The chicken right there.
Bro, that crazy hell. Okay. I am high.
Okay.
No, it's playing.
So what you got here? Got some powder, some flour. Talk about some powder crack, nigga.
Yeah.
On me Graves.
On Soul Calabasas. Soul Balabird. On me, I. No, it's playing.
I. So who taught you how to make chicken? Your grandma?
My mama want to cook.
Why you throwing away the flour?
I'm not throwing it away. That's how we flour up the chicken.
Hold up. That's how y'all flour up the chicken?
Yeah.
What? I never knew that. I'm Haitian. I don't do that shit. I don't know. Not like that. Baby, you wasting the flour.
Well, I'm not. You get to keep the flour. You don't throw it away.
What?
Like you save it for more chicken.
The same flour?
Bro, leave me alone, bye.
Alright, babe. What we doing, chef? Cleaning the chicken with what?
What you mean with what?
Clean the chicken with water?
Yeah.
Use the lime.
Use lime.
You need to. Clean mine with the lime. Please.
Oh my goodness.
I'm Haitian. I need you to clean mine with the lime. There's no lime.
Call it growing up. It's gonna taste different too. It's gonna taste more blackish.
Okay, so you're gonna dip it into the powder?
Mm-hmm. It didn't grab me. Never mind. I'll do it.
So when are you gonna put the seasoning? Now?
I'm doing that.
Alright. Okay, tell the people what seasoning you using. Oh,
So we do it. You ain't, hey, if you ain't black, if you ain't got no season salt, you ain't saying, hey. If ain't doggy, hey. And then look how we come up. You fit, hey. You got to have your yapper. Not
Black
pepper,
pepper.
your yapper. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Then look, then you want to get a little bit of, hold on, which one? This is the, okay. Get you a little bit of garlic powder.
Man. Okay, on
and
me.
then we, hey. And then we gonna spice it up. We gonna, Italian.
They can't understand.
Alright, and then hold on. We gonna hit them with a little bit of, where's it?
What about that one?
What?
This one.
Table blend. I don't even know what that is. I ain't do no table blend growing up. Salt. Excuse me, I'm sorry, guys.
They know you're big.
What is this? No.
No.
Yeah, I like that because you be putting it on my own.
Okay.
All right, and then you want a little bit, make it look a little pretty. Nice.
Parsley. But the pepper.
I got pepper.
That's black pepper, the actual pepper, the spicy one.
Oh, red pepper? You want that? All right, go ahead and grab that for me.
Okay.
Go ahead and grab that for me.
You don't need salt?
No, we no salt. We got salt.
Seasoning salt, you think that's enough?
Yeah, you don't want too much salt. You know what I mean?
Okay,
it says you want It says in there real quick.
Okay.
Then you want to
Right. Why you stupid workout? Kentucky Fried Chicken?
No. These things so damn big, bro. They don't be coming out right.
That's crazy. You grew up seeing your mama doing this?
But I mean, obviously do it different, bro. I'm doing it the man way, man.
Okay, man.
I don't know how to make it all pretty and shit like y'all. Boy, this bootleg is here, bro. What is wrong with it?
It's too full. That's why.
Hell, boy. Man, we finna go street mode.
Okay. Mika Gray. Got a seasoning chicken.
Then, I mean, obviously, when I shake it, that's all gonna mix up. Man, this shit, man, come on, bro.
Open the bigger part.
You want to? And what you want to do? And then whatever this is, but this, we better throw that on there.
Okay. You want to do the other side too, or just this side?
No, it's all gonna mix. When I shake it.
Mix.
Yeah,
Okay.
And then a dab of this.
A dab.
Right. And what you want to do is, my favorite part. My mama used to call me, this is what my mama used to do when I was younger and shit. There Then I come like, shake this up for me.
Seriously?
So she can do something else.
Oh, me.
Then you get in there. Hiya. That's fun. Okay. And then what I like.
Let the people see.
Look, you see that?
Okay.
Ooh, and then what you want to do is, I remember my mama doing this. After she did that, she just dab a little bit of this back around like that.
Back on it, okay.
Just like a little bit of everything, just one more time.
Okay. Yo, put in the comment below if y'all cook chicken like this.
That don't need it.
This is the first time seeing this.
So then you.
Okay.
Alright. That's it with my eyes.
Oh, man. Just show them how you do Kool-Aid next.
Kool-Aid? No, they won't see that because they can't see that. That's too. No, I really am cold with Kool-Aid.
I've never seen you make Kool-Aid before.
Now, chicken, I mean, I don't know, bro. This probably about it.
It's probably going to be good.
Think so?
Might need to shake it up again.
Shake it up again real quick. Get them in there.
Don't drop the chicken now. This boy's so damn extra.
Let me see. Watch this. Y'all ain't got this at home, do y'all?
Yes, they do. Boy, your oil's probably fucking like hot as shit right now. Nah, it's not hot. Why you just drop water in it like that?
So I can. If you get to doing that, it's how you know it's done.
You gotta put it on high or something. On 7.
Then what you want to do is put your seasons back and start cleaning a little bit.
Okay.
So you won't have to clean when you're done.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Yaks, bakis, and bakianas.
Bakias.
So calorie.
I see some people dipping their shit in eggs sometimes.
Yeah, everybody got like a different preference or stuff. I think people usually do the eggs because the seasons stick long better. But to me, this.
Look, I forgot to put in the All right, we're gonna come back. We're gonna come back.
We're gonna come back, Nick.
When the oil is hot.
We're back. You know what I'm saying? So, here's the part I've been waiting on. So you wanna hit it off a little bit. You see how the seat? Oh.
No.
Shit.
Alright, don't burn me now.
What you want to do is throw this motherfucker on there.
Okay.
Hold on.
Oh!
Hold on.
How How long you gonna let it cook for?
I don't know.
How you don't know?
15 minutes. That's what I don't know.
15 minutes? Okay.
Yeah.
15 minutes ain't bad.
Let me show you how it is now. You gonna ring it a little bit, alright? I did it wrong, fuck.
You have to put the last one by itself.
Sand. Let it right there a bit. Clean my hands off.
Oh, me. 15 minutes. Oh, you gonna put on the timer or what time is it right now? It's 12:15.
Yeah, we just go by heart.
12:15. So it's when it's 12:30. You gonna take them off?
Yep, we'll see.
Oh, me.
Gonna make a grave.
So what you gonna make them with potatoes? You want me to make the potatoes?
Yeah. Make.
Okay.
Oh me, y'all see that? Y'all see that chicken? Look, it ain't. It's just right. You know what I'm saying? Got the little tan. You know what I'm saying? It got the little nice little lightness. This what we used to call it the light skin chicken. That's that light skin chicken. You know what I'm saying? That's how. You know what I mean? Ain't too much. You know what I'm saying? So that's how we get down there. So she said she's gonna make the fries, homemade fries, cutting potatoes. We're gonna get a taste test. We're gonna have record a taste test. We gotta taste it because, like I said, she's Haitian, so she makes chicken totally different. She tasting that American black chicken. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see. But I'm gonna guarantee y'all though, from my plan, my chicken is not gonna taste better than hers. But it's gonna be good though. Ain't gonna be nasty, but it's gonna be good, but not better. Huh? What? I don't know, bro. I don't know what that means. Speaking in that language, but yeah, but we'll see y'all in the next clip. Look at them fries, y'all. I see that. Ooh, I see it. You see that little green? You see the little green dots? Oh me.
You should have bought paprika powder, baby.
Oh my. Oh. Yeah, boy. Ooh, look at the chicken. You know what I'm saying? How you down though? We about to try it. Me. See ya in a minute. You know what I'm saying? You can't tell me. I don't think you ever recorded.
I ain't gonna lie, that looks good. Oh me. But the real question is, does it taste good?
Man, look. I just took a little piece. It's heat. It ain't better than her little Haitian style.
Okay.
But it's fire though. It's definitely eatable.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Let's see. We're gonna see what she do though.
We're gonna see.
What she think of it, but
alright.
we're gonna wait till the fries done. We get back at y'all on fries.
The fries in there.
As you can see, she already tried it.
It's okay. It's okay. It's edible, y'all. It's crispy. That's a plus. If I was dying, I would eat
Look at
this.
that boy. Stop playing with me.
If I was dying, I would eat this.
You feel me?
It's actually not that bad.
Eating nation, nigga. And it's falling off the bone. Look at that. Stop playing with me.
Stop playing with him.
You feel me?
No, it's actually good. Like, I would eat this. Cause like, that I cook it just like that.
If y'all see her face cut off because she don't want me to have her face, all y'all see is her lips.
You could record me, okay.
Oh, Mika. Oh, so
nah,
Calabasas.
I would eat this. But I want to recreate it. And make it like half Haitian, half Black American. I will eat this. Good job, baby. You get a 7 out of 10.
Mika. Man, she about to eat the whole chicken. She said, forget the fries. I'm finna eat.
It just fly by itself.
Yeah. But alright, y'all. We finna get ready. We'll see y'all back in a few, though. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and
Alright, y'all. There go the fries. There goes Darian's chicken.
Mika lady.
And we're done. That's it for the video.
Time to eat world.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Peace. Oh, and comment down below how much you rate Darian's on this chicken. She said I can't go down. Shut
we
the
back
fuck
after
up.
we ate. You know what I'm saying? We didn't even show you the cookies. We should have showed y'all the cookies, but I just smashed the whole pan. I had like 12 cookies.
It's on the wrong mode. That's why it's dark.
Oh, it's on cinematic. We in a movie.
Let me show you. Okay, so when